Again, hello po sa lahat. Mouth and lips, silent symptoms pa rin po tayo. Our topic is cold sores. Cold sores are generally related to the stomach channel and reflect full heat, empty heat, or deficiency. When due to stomach heat, the cold sores appear suddenly and cause a burning pain. When due to stomach empty heat, they come in bouts, recurring over many years. When due to Qi deficiency, they occur in bouts over a long period of time, are usually pale in color, and are aggravated by overwork. A sudden attack of cold sores at the corner of the mouth or on the edge of the upper lips may be due to an external invasion of wind heat. Chronic or recurrent cold sores at the corner of the mouth or on edge of the lower lip may be caused by stomach pathology, either damp heat or yin deficiency with empty heat. Heat or damp heat in the large intestine may also cause cold sores, which in this case would be on the upper lip. Invasion of wind heat. Cold sores at the corner of the mouth or the edge of the upper lips, aversion to cold, fever, cough, sore throat, stuffed or runny nose with yellow discharge, headaches, body aches, slight sweating, slight thirst, swollen tonsils, tongue slightly red on the side in the chest area, on the front part, floating rapid pulse. Acupuncture, large intestine 4, triple burner 5, bladder 12, lung 7, and large intestine 11. Damp heat in the stomach. Cold sores at the corner of the mouth or on the edge of the lower lips. A sticky taste, thirst with no desire to drink, facial pain, stuffed nose, arctic, sticky, and nasal discharge. A feeling of fullness and pain of the epigastrium. A feeling of heaviness, nausea, a feeling of heat, dull yellow complexion, red tongue with sticky yellow coating, slippery rapid pulse. So acupuncture, REN 12, REN 9, spleen 9, large intestine 11, REN 5, and bladder 22. Stomach yin deficiency with empty heat. Cold sore at the corner of the mouth or on the edge of the lower lip. Dry mouth on the evening, dull or burning epigastric pain. Feeling of heat in the afternoon, thirst with desire to drink and a small sip. Dry stools, slight feeling of fullness after eating. Night sweating, pipe palm heat, bleeding gums, red tongue, or red center only, without coating in the center, floating, empty, and rapid pulse. Acupuncture, stomach 44, spleen 6, and REN 12. And stomach 36, large intestine 4, and large intestine 11. Stomach heat. Cold sore at the corner of the mouth or on the edge of the lower lip. Foul breath, thirst, burning, epigastric pain, sour regurgitation, nausea, excessive hunger, a feeling of heat, red tongue with the yellow coating, overflowing rapid pulse. So if the heat is in the large intestine, the cold sore on the upper lips, constipation with dry stools, burning sensation in the mouth, dry tongue, burning and swelling in anus, scanty dark urine, thick yellow or brown or black, dry tongue coating. The pulse is full or rapid. Open wire or both rear position. On rear position. The damp heat in the large intestine. Cold sore on the upper lips. Abdominal pain that is not relieved by a bowel movement. Diarrhea, mucus on the blood and stool. Offensive odor of the stool. Burning in the anus. Scanty dark urine. So there is fever, sweating that does not decrease. The fever, a feeling of heat, thirst without a desire to drink, a feeling of heaviness of the body and limbs, a feeling of oppression of the chest and epigastrium. Red tongue with a sticky yellow coating. Slippery rapid pulse or pulse that is slippery and wiry on both and the rear position. Treatment note. So in cold sores, acupuncture, large intestine 4, stomach 44, and stomach 4. So according to the author, they use large intestine 4 contralaterally for the corners of the mouth. That is on the left for a cold sores on the right and vice versa. Thank you po for your listening.